Welcome back to another video. We're here at Team Hectic Hopes and Dreams shed where everything comes to die and never leaves running. So we've done quite a bit with the Beetle. I didn't film anything this morning because I just wanted to get stuck into it. I've got a major task in front of me before Christmas, so let's just get straight into the video. This is what the Beetle looks like now. There's nothing left. Pulled all the loom out, showed you how I did that. Pulled all the hubcaps off. I'm going to end up taking the wheels off. There's nothing inside at all anymore. Pulled all the seats out, floor, carpet, everything else, everything, nothing left. So then we started taking the bolts off here. We're going to remove the body from the chassis today, or the floor pan or whatever. As you can see, the floor pan's been replaced before. There's a bit of surface rust here is coming through, but the floor pan itself is actually solid. As you can see, they are absolutely screwed. So you got like a hole here, hole there. If you get the phone inside here, you'll see all of this as well. This bit, like there. Look, I haven't even, like, this is rusted away, and then it's coming apart as well from here. All along here is coming off. So I've got to take the body off the frame today, cut it here, and then cut it there. But I won't be cutting it today because I've got to get a welder. I've got to make a brace from here to there, and then same on the other side. So when I cut it, it doesn't fold in on me, and then everything's out of whack. Floor pan's mint, so I'm gonna paint strip everything anyway and double check that it's all good before I put it back together. But the floor pan's actually not too bad. But I will change the heater channels. Taking off the bolts for the frame. There's bolts all along there, but as you can see, because of rust, can't get any of them off. There's one there, it's just spinning, so I've got to cut them all out. And then the last two bolts there, and then lift the floor off, lift the chassis body off the frame. My baby's crying because she's a whinger. Brown kids, I'll say that because I'm brown. Brown kids, look, they're whingy. They just want hugs and cuddles all the time. It's like me on Shannon. Now I know how she feels.